Hello, team and family. We're going to work on problem number 2. During his first 4 games of the soccer season, Ryan made 3 assists per game. If he continues in this manner, how many assists will Ryan have made at the end of 15 games? First thing we're going to do, we're going to put our square in the middle for the problem-solving process. We're going to put U on the top left. There's 3 questions for you. For understand, question 1, what are you asked to find? So I'm going to underline it. How many assists will Ryan have made at the end of 15 games? I'm going to write it down so I can make sure I know it. How many assists will Ryan have made at the end of 15 games? 2. What are the facts? What are the things I know? I know that Ryan made 3 assists per game, per meaning 1, so 3 assists per 1 game. How many assists will he have made after 15 games? So I know 3 assists per game. And then I also know there's been 15 games. Step 3. Is there any information given that you will not use? So even though it says during his first 4 games of the soccer season, Ryan made 3 assists per game. So that's per each 1 game. It's not per 4. So I don't need to worry about this information up here. I don't need to worry about the first 4 games. So I don't need to worry about that information. It's not going to change my answer, first 4 games. Alright, so up on the top right, plan. We're going to make a plan here. So I know that per game being 1, if there's 15 games, I can multiply the number of assists by the number of games. So I know I can multiply assists by the games. 2, have you solved any similar problems before? Yes, so I've multiplied different units, so I know that I can multiply assists times the number of games to get the total. Yes, so I'm just going to put I have multiplied different units before. I have multiplied different units. Okay. Solve it out. Let's do it. So here we go. I know that there's 3 assists per game for 15 games times 3 assists per game. 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, 4, 45. And then 2, this is step 1, this was step 2. 1 was multiplying, step 2 was showing all the steps, which I did. Now I'm going to go ahead and check my work. Did you answer the question? 45 games. So how many assists will Ryan have made at the end of 15 games? So I did 15 games times 3 assists per game to get the total number. Yes. I found the total amount of assists. Okay. Step 2. Is your answer reasonable? So I know that if I did 15 plus 15 plus 15, my answer would be 45. So yes, adding 15 plus 15 plus 15 equals 45. So that's reasonable. And then my last step, step 3. Step 3, are there other strategies that you could use? Yeah, there's always other strategies in math. There's a lot of different ways. Yes, I could have used a table. So let me draw that table in. So 15, let me erase that. Made a small mistake. I'm going to put 3 for 1, 6 for 2, 9 for 3, 12 for 4, and I'm going to put a dot, dot, dot. If I continued this and I got to 15 games on the bottom, so if I got to 15, I should have gotten 45 assists. So I'm going to put up here 45 assists. And that's it. Woo!